श्री वारणा शिक्षण संस्था आयतवडे खुर्द तालुका वाळवा जिल्हा सांगली संचलित माध्यमिक विद्यालय तळगाव तालुका राजापूर जिल्हा रत्नागिरी. I am R.D. Kumbar, assistant teacher. Hi students, in this figure there are two segments, segment AB and segment PQ. Length of these two segments is unknown. So how will you decide the length of two segments is same? For this, suppose segment AB is keep on segment PQ, and if these two segments are exactly match each other, then we can say length of two segments is the same. That means segment AB is congruent to the segment PQ. This is another figure. In this figure, there are two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. These two angles looks like in same shape and in same size, but measure of these angles is unknown. So how will you decide these two angles are congruent? For this, suppose angle ABC keep on angle PQR, and if these two angles match exactly, then we can say the measure of two angles is same. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. In this third figure, there are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These triangles are also looks like in same shape and in same size. Today we are going to study about congruence of two triangles. For this, suppose triangle ABC keep on triangle PQR, and if these two triangles are match exactly to each other, then vertex A of triangle ABC is on the vertex P of triangle PQR. This is known as one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. This one-to-one correspondence between the vertices symbolically can be written as, again, vertex B of triangle ABC and vertex Q of triangle PQR is on one another. Similarly, vertex C of triangle ABC is on the vertex R of triangle PQR. These three one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles can be written as separately, and these three one-to-one correspondence by using symbol together can be written as. Suppose we rotate triangle ABC and then keep on triangle PQR, then at this time position of vertex are changed. That means vertex A is on vertex R, vertex B is on vertex P, and vertex C is on vertex Q. At this time, one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles by using symbol can be written as. If we rotate triangle ABC again and keep on triangle PQR, then position of vertices is again changed. At this time, vertex A is on vertex Q, vertex B is on vertex R, and vertex C is on vertex P. In this case, one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles can be written by using symbol as. In this way, one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles can be written in 6 types. That means out of these 6 one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, for any one-to-one correspondence, two triangles, that means triangle ABC and triangle PQR match exactly, then we can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent to each other. It can be written as by using symbol. Let us consider these two triangles are matched exactly. That means they are congruent of each other. Then side AB of triangle ABC is exactly matched with side PQ of triangle PQR. These two sides are known as corresponding sides of two triangles. Similarly, side BC and side QR are again corresponding sides of these two triangles. Lastly, side AC and side PR are also corresponding sides of these two triangles. As the same of corresponding sides, their angle are also matched exactly. That means angle A and angle P are matched exactly. Therefore, these two angles are known as corresponding angles. Similarly, angle B and angle Q are also corresponding angles, and lastly, angle C and angle R also corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. When two triangles are congruent, then three pairs of sides of triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Similarly, three pairs of angles of both the triangles are also congruent. Students, I hope that this is sufficient information about congruence of two triangles. Thank you.